Start your day with a gentle stretch. It wakes up your body and mind, preparing you for the day ahead. Fuel your body with a nutritious breakfast. It's the key to kickstarting your metabolism. Get moving. A morning jog boosts your mood and energy levels for the day. Take a moment for mindfulness. Yoga helps reduce stress and improve flexibility. Stay hydrated. Drinking water is essential for overall health and vitality. Lunchtime. Opt for a colorful salad packed with nutrients to keep you energized. Create a productive workspace. A tidy environment boosts focus and creativity. Take breaks. Short walks throughout the day can enhance your productivity. Dinner time. Cooking at home allows you to control ingredients and portion sizes. Wind down with a good book. It's a great way to relax and escape. End your day with meditation. It helps clear your mind and promotes better sleep. Prioritize sleep. A good night's rest is crucial for a healthy lifestyle.